Hi, thanks for joining me. I want to show you real quickly how to do a backup on the SAP 6600 Roman numeral 2 with SAM4pos. You're first going to take a USB flash drive and you're going to put it in the back. There's a little, there's two USB ports right there, so make sure you have that inserted. Then you're going to enter your password to get into the system. Once you're there, you're going to hit System. You're going to go to System and Database, and there you will see Database Backup. So I'm going to choose Database Backup. Here it's already toggled to USB because I put that flash drive. You can put the file name if you want, but it will assign a name. Hit OK. It's making a backup as we speak onto your flash drive. There are other ways to make backups, but this is a really good, safe way to do it, and you should be doing this at least once a month, if not more often. That's it. We're done. Back out of here.